ya mention bibia a feeding so mu any speaking the truth group mu ye cheche bibia o follow yen ye church in the love God oba de shira Pastor Solomon Prophet Solomon J feeding so members na ye cheche mu na wa de shira mu na ye do bibia se ne so ye sen hia ye be din komafa ahosiesie rest a man in mema who says ye and a bit because I will see na ye can was and be na chidi say a man who a man can and a man be na who sees ye Can come on about drums, no? One of what Tony, a man, one of Tony was so they must go. About your better say, I will see a coupon from Adam and Ifmo, and I bring Adam, oh, the jammer. Why a coupon say, I brought me beer, when John was on Cosa. Now they Adam and Ifmo, a year, action be said, say, and say, oh, we shot Taddy and I'm Bible say, I brought the Jabano, your coupon now, true watching, oh, Johnny say, oh, don't want to take. Become the Dija. Master, why didn't I sort of say I want you? One will carry one fan to one categoriano. One will carry over to Jerry and Otim Jerry. I want Tiamapa. I bring a photo. Why can't we tell put naked and I want thing? When you're pie, because we're down. Because we're down for a yes, sir. Do your banners with me, what did you want? Oh, you're down for Christopher Martin Yasabu. No one in the hall. Monoson tell a wide young wow. Genesis 3. Genesis 3. Chapter 21. Radi Yankopon ye momanta de. Bible na kasa why say. Ne Radi Yankopon. Why na say. Radi Yankopon. Why na say. Radi Yankopon. Sister do tell me na. Anyano. Why? Yeah, Radi Yankopon. Yankopon is the first creator. Ono bad ye bo atade. Ono Yankopon no. One side action ma. Ono timpo ni pass ni party ensinity so. Ensisro. Na ne nan kwase. Wa fa ni pa na mbesi na pompom. E ba tonka besi na nante. Kabesana to wiem Bible na kasa yakopon miansa nti wo a we jam ka chemi captain ni opom ekunya ni sa na wani na wo tira kasa yakopon ni o me pa to ewi wana bo ewia yes serious po wana bo po yakopon wana bo de ne banti na odi no amsa ne papa na boy wana bo kako no mo ne ene asu no wana boy kata school boys wana boy yakopon kontombre wana boy bedri wana boy Ukraine wana boy kusina wana boy me pato Yankopon is the creator of everything. God is the creator of everything. Yeah, creative artist. Yankopon no degree. No crapa, wa bomb masters. No bomb degree. No party. To say ultimate draw. Etu boba. Ede ko boba. Otu boba hu say oba de e so be tualebo. Odi the tone e so be kan. Oba de say ne funu no e different from men. Yeah. E ba to oba e say ne nantie different. Ti Yankopon bomba. Bible say a man Yankopon adibo a chaton. Yankopon spend time tell man to your bonus say you no matter what to into the Bible says Genesis 3 verse 21. So we Genesis 3:21. Bible Yankopon ye woman tad. No Yankopon ye den. Woman tad ye. Ma Adam ne yere. Ma Adam ne hwan. Ne yere. Me bato na mtira Bible no. Me bato ko pon ye. Satan ne ma Adam ne yere no. Me bato enne. Obi ma oba wo pa no jana hem. Oba pa no what the dress no dress. No they call discordance. Ai. Ne ye bo e friend say bra bedi mi da. Bedi mi da. Ye bo me kwoti ai den. Sorry. Ne bo anka e friend say anka ka be den. Anka ka be den. Ubeti. No masisa no. Masisa no. Me bato Bible kasa. Bible no e try say atade a yehye no eso se Yankopon ti Bible say Jacob ni fie krampo no omo satira no Bible say Jacob ni fie omo satira ma je to say omo satira atade na shom enokre Genesis 35 verse 2 Bible kasa the Bible say Jacob abra ofri so nche no o say osisanye ni fie fo yinara Odo so bia so tena tade to satana ta so na sofo en kan crunch masa fra so na sofo e di abro the rest 35 abro so no na wudin ni book of life no enokre ye twam he ba bro the rest 35 o sere wese ma tu na Jacob ka kire na Jacob ka kire fiefuo ne wona wo kan hu na wona wo kan hu na say mototo anyame mo ye den mototo anyame no mo so abosom ti ba bo say o ka kire mo say mo ye den o mototo anyame ananafo amana ananafo awo munungu awo munu engu ba mo say o ka kire mo say o mototo abosom ye den engu hwe na mo ndira mo
Na monstatra montade.
Monstatra den.
Montade.
Bible say, yes, statra den tade. Abra Jacob no yes ade no.
Enokre.
Jacob no yes ade because ene na be ma Jacob ni near ba ne so.
Enokre.
What I saw them atade na nye.
Enye.
Apuskele go eden. I'm away. Maybe boots. Maybe border. Skinny. Ose crash am I ready for sex? Ose friend say yeah. Ose be border. Ose friend say alarm pine.
See through.
Breakthrough. You break through now.
One leg, open door,
open side.
Open front you know.
Abo wa shut rest when turn through my amba or so ba. When chile chi say e wax to dem so nyo ere. Master aba wa na mase when turn say ba kwanto jo say ere. So oba wa na so kwata atade, na wan to atade no fu he pia o so ere. Ni brazier obo size 25, eto 90,
obo size 35.
Eto 90,
obo size 120.
Akoto size 12 no dey abo ase na ere. Ahepe. Na mbrantin kwasafo hu na no mo mrisun to su. Bible say obechi won na won Yakobon dia. Bible nkasa. Ecclesiastes 7:26. Ecclesiastes 7:26. Ti Jacob ne face to monta nti we difo and now you suffer na da so da no. Na we jam mo message enter the phone. Etu caps airports. Omo kurapo ya. Esto mo ton wo mo ton pade. E di phone si so mo ton. E so mo nufu. Na mo ti aso de mo na sofo je popete ti kese. Oko Bible school. Na oko degree nti. Na o kese mo nshatare de mbra sori. Na sori nya fe. Mo na kese Jacob fi nya fe. Mo na kese o. Jacob fi nya fe. Ni fi ni mo Bible say ono otinpeduanim. Ene asori dan. Ti fi ni be fi ni bone.
Ecclesiastes 7:26.
For the creation and there, Bible Bible say ko hu efi ni say ana asore ni say abone fo ni semanfo asore nte hu efi na o ye kasa ka efunu na o efunu so enkode ne petenere eko
Ecclesiastes 7:26.
Ecclesiastes 7:26.
I said na me hu dia eya nwenu se
me hu ade eya nwenu se den
ewo
nti ade be na nwenu se ogo Bible say ade kro na ye hunu eya nwenu ti ade eya nwenu se owo de se edwane me boa se edwane me boa English Bible no to aso 1 Corinthians 6:18 Bible kire say ade kro na Bible kan no o se edwane you awrem
1 Corinthians 6
o se
say the radio say
Bible say edwane according to Bible na abeku kan no o se edwane Osire ayeyin so wo 1 Corinthians 6:18 say
1 Corinthians 6:18 I say avoid immorality any other sin a man committing that a man what committing does not affect his body and but the man who is guilty of sexual immorality sins against his own body own body is what because HIV be ten HIV and Ebola bag Ghana no mu dwane but so no mu put mind Ebola bag Ghana na kono eden e Valentine Day so penny eden e jinam ai o to de ko tia on na jere te o now you are here a very members for na so I want chamo for aso de obeti me get na me boy na me get na me boy na ya rearrest of mama
ya we
of population abasori members nim Para woman when so ntew na we imagine say trousers I say mamba ya ba say trousers say mba dia so for be quoting Bible
the throne
be quoting Bible say trousers say mba dia na even create one common sense crampon say church trousers man and fatal ba
ya ba ta de kra
mo ba say ko pompo ba tare ma Adam if no obundi opo if and the opo tare o ma tare ne den e say if
and kra
me bato say Yakobon my yes sketa me bato ye dun say be na dun so
oh you be so
ye be da dun so
me a share skate
say Yakobon but all this ewa ifa obey den atun so
and kra
ene na say omo so dun so omo yo
obeti ke wa den atun so adentia o say tell this so for me mo wa dun so she Unsia Bible no ulu sofweti okuru din kwa asan 24 so for mama dan Bible nkasa Bible say hu ade yin si owu den ya ehwe Bible why
Osenka 4:7
we are Proverbs 7:10
Osenka 4:7
hwe Bible
na me hu dia ya yin si
owu na ade kura yin si owu
oba na kuma mo fidie ni
oba na kuma wo den
fidie
hwe Bible
na ne nsa ya homa
na ne nsai den me ba to fansa se ho ye be hwe owu kura ti ma obi ni ne ko Job 16:16 Ewurade Yakobon kasa hai enne ko ba mo ba se wa we are renewed ko po de be je Ghana
Job 16:16
ni peti bonnet so de men kasa So phone kasa.
John 16.
John 16.
Esunti me nya
Bible say den esunti ne den.
Nya bere
Bible trust why.
Na ewuo sunsum da mani
No owo den.
Sunsum da mani
owo the sunsum pono amane pa ne den. So me bato it is hard way. Na say oba na kuma mo fidie ai no si owu amane pa ni ye ko a na sa de kro no e si hu na basa. Run away for your life. Run for your life.
Kotopu.
Anti kuya ba wa hipper no for send enta the bonny ne tu ina hepe na oba brante na mo stra veranda nim no omo bosi hey obeti nka bosi kra ko dinechi eti dinechi a baby a sister ko kwakon obeti nechi a den
akọ
te ko pam pataka be den e bono obi shot me shop ba na ka body business something pipi na gata da dem say ciao
na ne megu ase
na fide on timi sore o da gata nim wa gata nim o nim guasie
so dem
hey Romans chapter 1 verse 28 church no to kikan osanga for no to aso me 7:26 no to aso na yende obiso ba no wasenta de for no ontimi chie o ontimi chie da because hungonkoro de etie mu to yeso for na church member de atadia ba na so an kana sa to sintedio na kwada de church member we sofo utiate
Bible 7:26 na me hu dia yanu sino wo
na me hu na de kra yin sino wo
ba na kuma mo fidie na ne nsa ye homa de aso Yankopon ani be free
wasa obe commit suicide ne nsa ya homa o de tiro ko obe kum o je oba ne nsa fefo asum why we ni rete se na so gira fa o jira no oba na ye sa we ni beto no na wo nan utie tu wo nan ye den 4 we ni me guase Kiwarum,
you say Yankopon ani be free no.
Na vie yes Yankopon ani no. Ye free no. E be free no why den. E be free no why den. Because e be twane avoid immorality.
And correct.
1 Corinthians 6:18 e kan no. Enti hu a e be twane because you avoid. Yes na ho, kiwarum.
No the bonan ide.
No obi o hyewi de.
Obechi no.
Konkonsa de. Obechi on pe go pass them do be den.
Obechi
no because I didn't wapunyansa ho. Wapunyansa ne hunu. Bible say nyansa e be ma dwempai den. Aso so. According to Proverbs chapter 10, 2 verse 10. Proverbs chapter 2 verse 10. And kai Romans chapter 1 verse 28-29. What aso dem ya church no wa jedi. We janta the fushe. Na obi koto obi she na. Yes fatality no. We tie jan kire no. Eti me akoto ase. We won ba so bi o jam story because so no e kesetia.
And correct.
Hey, Yankopon so be ya wade bi. Romans 1:28-29.
Romans 1:28.
Bible kasa.
Because those people refuse to keep in mind
Yankopon chere
right about God.
No kure no opon
He has given them.
O si odoma
He has given them over to corrupt mind.
A corrupt mind.
So that they do the things.
They will do the things
that they should not do.
That ka first no at the crown untimi nye no ka ne de obey achensa na Hebrew 29.
They filled.
They what?
They filled.
They will be filled
with all kinds of
wickedness. Bible say we you know abjatinu pone no hombo na betena mu. Yes. Listening na o say they greedy. Wickedness, evil, greedy, and vice. They are full of jealous. They will be full of what? Jealous, murder, fighting, dissent,
and malice.
And what?
Malice.
Bible kasa. Bible say murder. Na ye come murder na you obi akokro no re sika wo bi nko awo.
And correct.
1 John chapter 3 verse 15. 1 John 3:15. Ye betrem. O shata de papa na mo aduni ye juma sister. O frade cross atade ase na wo de mo titu fere.
On fele o.
O fere penifo. Ene penkukro na mbere waso no o mai den o ma jafa. Abro asan ka tu mbo afo no. Aba what companions. Young girl give to companions. O piro shata de boni. O pi we huna ka.
1 John chapter 3.
Onya ko ya na de ni mo de post na echi wona wo fie.
1 John chapter 3.
E yadwa.
Verse number 15.
Hey, Adwa.
Yes.
No one who know Pia Wantina.
Hey, me no.
Hey, I thought that was support the pony.
Hey.
I thought they say you. And you crack.
Sir,
and you crack.
And you gonna work on.
Oba. No way. Oh my team.
Bokonsa.
You have room.
1 John 3.
1 John 15. Verse 15.
Obiara tiny nia. Ne you difu.
Obiara ye den.
Tiny nia.
Obiara come to be no be slow. Sika na obi no ma na o tiny no. Tuye owudini.
Ye wudini.
Obiara ne aduane si ho. Na obi de do begum. Na wahunu no anka. Mosa ukuri ani dia wewu. Nti ye wudini. Obiara ya boss ne den.
O ye wudini.
Kokro no wo je no mpena asem.
Wakuno. Mentoaso.
Doctor ni on so job eto ne eto ya dem paso. Enti me na boss no.
Nkwala no.
O so ye
obi yam akwala wutwa no.
O ba kroku.
Na kokokra ye twa.
Sa doctors from yes akro o mu timi sin correct round.
Jimi.
He wa redo.
Mentoaso.
Ba wo say.
Na munim se dan kwa.
Na munim se dan kwa.
Rent na wodi for biara.
Wodi for den. Wodi for den. You are bonus at the front. Oh, you within because you are going to kill people. Bible kasa according to Mark chapter 9 verse 42. Bible say, "She don't want to sintidia. She don't want to sintidia." To your will. O shut at the front of the mountain. He wa redo.
Na obiara obeto.
No obiara obema.
Na obiara obeto nkuma. Mentoaso. No obiara obeto nkuma yi.
Obiara obema nkuma yi.
Wati me die yi.
O ma jineti.
Mu ba ku sintidia no.
Uko school sana. Emmanuel, the obi ene say, "We be ma so ji Yesu dia." Na o mo ntade scott ade no. So. No tatao. On tatao. For no. So you senior. Hey, sine kokwa. Sine kokwa. Hey, we show some you no don't to chew.
Hey.
No jawash because for yakop ponti. Empire ye suta me ko school no. Emma be be na ma mema. O mo se tire wagene e ba form. Si atare na se na to company so. Bra kwa for yakop we take preacher sesa. O ti ofienti o ma oba akotata de fo ma oba se ofin ko praba ko ba ko de ma no pa ni wi na najo onko prada mo o ko so tman man hot kid o ma na tade ye o ma de yekodi ne wa sa tade de wura dem
Sabra ko si hitia
bra ko ku on so no o ne ye free no o ntimi yen enkasa no by the pra o kutisa o kutusa na o checha ne to o wo so no yi no ho ne ade
na ndie
bra ko ni su ten no na de onada
ehiti
Bible say oye ni bu ye se oba no na ma san kuma yi o ma die Yesu di no e hwe mu gidi Bible say e betu aso te Bible no
Mentoaso.
Bible say
ase eyema no mom say
eyema ni pane say
wode ewiem mo kese
de ebu kese
sene ne kon
de titiro kon
mu na wode no kotu pum
na ye to twini pum e ba so otinti obe ni pabiem obe ni pabiem kasa da sharo tisinti dia o tisinti de mo mbema
eno kre
o ti Bible kasa Yesu Kristo ba no be kire Yesu dim say se quotation we want to kasa asemo ya bebribra ba monta shantade fon emi myamba to ne ade abro mo no mo ndae no o mo gbejomanye na Yesu kasem bi according to Bible no Matthew chapter 5 verse 27-28
Matthew 5
we be man say but tabo and out sisi ya e be quote Bible say Bible kire say o ye be ma but and out sisi ke ba rum
Matthew 5:27 Matthew say waka say
what say ke say
say
wade Bible say
na me de
me say
obia wa
shoba
na ne kondon
no
na ofa na
kuma mu den
dada
ofa na kuma mu den na o che Bible na ba 20 wo be ma showa wafa dada wasa o shanka wa baba mo wa ware pa o shanka wa tada si de sabontin ememara etuko so frefre o hunka wana na because me satara o shede ye dwuma foden enter there attention Bible say e ye dwuma fonta according to Bible no yen ka Bible yen kan quotation bi according to Bible no e be kasa Project 7 verse 10 to 11 the Bible kasa to you be a we ni braso wasasi so na se on connect am o de yen yan afon estimate center the phone to me was into dia we tia Bible say
na she obabi sia
no obabi sia
ofred man
na ofreden na twa na dayo na twa na ofreden fotam e do ye
na kuma sene
no body shabe man no ofred man fotam na kuma sene
wajide na so asro na nan tenani fie
timro tunfua ontie
nan tenani fie
ontimi tani fie e for the 20 tenase
anokre
16 years ago kakribe we punu to we punu to e dey no wajibe 30
anokre
oba mo timi mbema e dey otimi mbema trader o ya ko jara papa no no why say oba mo no mo tini so na e fe
taxi
mentoaso
toso me
say wo mrono
say o mrono so o mrono so
say yi owa edwa so
see o timi come market place
na what time
chia and
yina so
chia connect ono ana o na chichi mema na we chichi shom ba ko Christopher mema o mi pon so na obayi etie gina wa chichi shom 11 sister ya say mema ni na So for to me can correct
On to me.
obey daka
Ow.
ono kra obey daka
Osro.
obey daka
Dai.
so wow you be a Bible kasa be kasa kire o say hwe o shata the phone o nyansa bo
Aw. Nyansa abo.
nyansa den
Abo.
abo nyansa bo no you kra sini so na emi chapter 11 verse 1 Bible be kire say when your brother Saturday bia me pa to you kra sini oni mie ye kra o first chapter 2 verse 9 eno the Bible no oni mie kra
Jeremiah chapter
what Saturday open for open back ona mana wasrem yi frim na na mo tisna opuru jaman ni ade free akopaa so de ko be jaman abra o ta so de na tetrew so for ntimi ntire me ko mak so to big of free ni
Kataneni.
no e free ni because one kasa mu na kasa no kura no mo penti so for na kasa na de be free so for no suro on so for no so just so me so be yam juma o say am free no say free no me de me nyim
Bien.
Bible kasa Nehemiah chapter 11 verse 1 Bible say obo shatter the phone no o say skinny I'm aware me put border ye kodi accident o so santare ni na no o yo ba woni mbie na ye kurase ni ba
Krasini.
o wi a me busam 11 verse 22 aba so tell say obo shatter the phone no o say preko e de gudi ahye ne hwen na preko ko atete mu a e o border ne hwen na tita tete o de hwen na de gudi na ahye no e tita tete
Nehemiah 11 verse 1.
Bible say verse topic.
The topic. The people who live in Jerusalem.
The people who live in what?
In Jerusalem.
In what?
In Jerusalem.
King live kasa. Masa mwajine shapu na woni nna ho mo no so ntew mo hunu say Bible na je dis no e treche no kra kwan enya tro kwan o. Nehemiah chapter 11 verse 1 topic.
Nehemiah 11 1.
Topic saying
Nkrofo. Nkrasifo.
Aye den.
Nkrasifo.
Adentia because it man born into the phone. Na when be dey bi atara o she wa hemu go e be ni woni bi we krasini. Abo woni so ti wo no wadne sharp. Satara o she no o de go musu na e bra so. Bible be kasa according to Colossians chapter 5 verse 6 and no count them 1 Timothy 2 verse 9.
1 Timothy 2 verse 9.
Bible saying
1 Timothy 2 verse 9.
Obeti say emba won hye de no enya nsambrem na wo ye won steady a obeti pepe ma unya da bebre ese we tu no no ncho galon baako wa ja
Timothy 2 9
wa wi okura wa wi tafre wa wi ntatia ni na etire unya kuru
1 Timothy 2 9
oseden
as in I also want the women
to be modest
and sensible
sister sensible to the answer there what's short jeans no asem na go oba de nka be Saturday senketa ko today asra wono aye secret area aye okurudia enye obia de okurudia we you asra we now asra we call na de chimema memeni so aye call na we memma na odo asra ho wa kem aye japade kwantini di ho area o si assembly woman to ba me
me toaso as insensible about your clothes
and to dress properly underline word dress what properly about your own office na so she nika office proper o kwa so wa hipo no proper nyansa komo se kire se ade a wo ye nyansa bi enim Bible catch us say unim nyansa Proverbs chapter 12 verse 1 why ye catch us say any wefu o emuna Emuna say emuna na ho nyefe.
Proverbs chapter 12 verse 1. As those who love knowledge.
Those who love what we are teaching now.
To be told.
One was sent at the phone, but said, nothing to the mono. I want young but 3 10 away. To so much on young son and wine. You are
I am Quasiafo.
None of them.
I am Quasiafo, the children.
Na kwasefone den
e kire nuka
ba twi say ahoya no kasa
o say onyansafone
hwan onyansafone hwan ba be detect hwe warom
the other three ne
donim die
na the other nim ka ya
the other say church say chata de pano
ya boa
tie na nanom first be repeat obi a be ye den na na club bottom a wasahye Washa Pioto, or born to make Gusomasa, was a child. I'm not sure. Now we repeat why they operate. None of the youngest here. Also to move pint, and I'm him. Tia, Gaio, so much in one side. Gaio, we boy, or for base, that chin, I know your work on China. The fire. We will find bro something Yamaba, Sayamani Naya to 4 and Yama, and I promoted to mine. Hey, and it's more bon, no one dim papa, no one dim papa. The Bible crack a tomorrow be clear flash for the point of my new because I read such a Bible Casa, Hosea 4, verse 12, Hosea 4:12, but I say, or better saw that the promotion in the who ran no flash or they were point of mine. People to mine near to the chain, Tibium, you are him.
Hosea
4:12.
Was there a photo of
Bible Casa?
Memam Pista,
Jeff in Casa, Bible reading, Casa, Bible principle,
Memam Pista on Dia, Memam Pista on Dia, Modia,
Memam Pista on Dia Modia.
No one Pumaka, a cemetery,
one Pumaka, some child, every say, a Jamon body, a Jamon body, a day, a day, a Jamon, home, Pana, whom fee, and Pana, whom fee, whom met Monu because the Abraham Areno, a whom fee, about them, a Jamon, whom I died down, a Jamon, a day, I died down, if you want Yanko Pon, free on Yanko Pon, I could put a Jamai, free Yanko Pon, you, I could put Jamai, not Chababona, Babro, I will get down again. You could do how the same thing. Software trail, my watch out. Oh, shut up, oh, shut up, so shut it.
Jacana is so animals.
Bible Becassa. Bible Sabra Port Church and not. If I say, I want to what here and Homocofia, more with the Bible, the Pim Association, say, and the Grand Church and Homo Church and no kind at chapter 17, verse 11. At 17, verse 11. I will climb up the money. At 17 verse 11. At 17 verse 11. That's the thing. Send a radiation. Somebody see me. I say, or say, Mamma, Massa, why won't I come preaching out for preaching? When you go to America, you do this, you do this. That's for contracting so spend time. Me never bawa. Me no, me so say. I read up so. Me break it. Amanie. Me break it. Oya. Me break it. Me so ko to baba say. Me bi obiara. O tare so. O imremo. O fio. O edwemo. Me so bofo. O me choso. O fisika. I go pioto. I fisika. I go pioto. I fisika. Wasa. Eto mbo to mo sa buttons. Eto mbo to mo sa buttons. Eto mbo to o sa button tons no crap na body free. Free pato. Eto mbo to mo. Yakopon konkron to mo me pato. Forget it. Na exam for no crap no. Eno Sankai Acts chapter Acts 17 verse 11. At 17 verse 11. I said the people there were more open-minded. Were more open what? Than the people in than the Thessalonica. In what? Thessalonica. No much me be. Just mommy. They listen to the message. With great encourage. I read them with great and encouragement. I said, and every day they stood. They study. They study. Because Bible echo. Joshua chapter 1 verse 8 can be. I say, address the old dressing in Tadia, which say our farm member could be about club near there. Now you want the Ano Munti, near Bobby Mitra, near Bo, what Sanka Betty, near Bon Quasanumbi, a Biwa, now it's now to Ponaka Siano, a bit then a walk Babro Sanko with your Bible. Joshua, go back to young Yada, on your cruise. Joshua 1 verse 8. Now, God told Joshua. Tell the people of Israel to meditate on the word. On the word. Day and night. Bible Kasa. We are better say about and out to me bacho we buy John what is buy Bible say none about than him and then you. You want me? Oh, Matthew, and I say, Matthew 3, you want me? John the Baptist, Abra, the preaching of John the Baptist. First, start I can't. Okay, Matthew. John the Baptist by none about that when you see, but market to see what between Chabotia say. What you say? Our boy at 20 in what boy 20 channel? Oh, boy, say, what you watch what you want lie. Oh, yes, and so what talk to James said. The picture of John the Baptist. Books that's why fee. Not one thing. So you're gonna be born. Hey, make us say dress now. Nyan sambo.
Matthew 3:4.
Oh, go wrong direct Bible saying.
Matthew 3:4.
Saying.
As John the Baptist
Matthew 3:4. John the Baptist way.
Made of camel. John's clothes were made of camel's hair.
The camel. Our boyfriend camel.
He wore a leather belt.
He wear a leather belt
around his waist.
Around his buttocks. Around his buttocks. Around his buttocks. And the woman. Around his buttocks. Around his buttocks. His waist. Around his buttocks. His waist.
His waist.
John clothes
were made of
camel's hair.
He wear a
leather belt
around his waist.
Around what?
His waist.
But all belt down here far. Belt down here far. Box is why fee. One boxer. No, you be one time. They be one color. They be one color. They be one color. But now boxers never go pay.
The money fans are none check a shit.
And
yeah, British around and the oh no, is that?
No, I mean,
now what's that? I say, it's a man said, almost skinny. I want to say skinny. Skinny, and you pretty night. I drop. And I am most of the Oma Gentem because who ship their ship in the
drawing board.
I want to say size 25. Oh, I want to whiskey. Say, wait, Charlie.
Yes,
Charlie.
Yes,
I didn't want to. A move. That way, the coy son said, "Kiss you, you
train them was."
Who's a bed? The bar.
Which one? I don't know. Who's an anona? I come. This is a poster.
No, I did that. No, man, who's Anna? Oh, man, fans. You be BNT. Why then?
Oh, sausage, you know.
Oh, man, why then? Oh,
sausage, you know.
Finance address, Bema. Finance aid, Federation. Jeremiah chapter 3 verse 23. Wow, what you make us your post again? Who say that? Yeah,
Jeremiah 3.
I first year battle picking song Casal. What's that? Jeremiah chapter 3 verse 23.
I have a fraud.
We are doing Jeremiah chapter 4:30. Can me? Jeremiah chapter 4:30. We are chapter 4 verse 10.
Jeremiah 4:30.
What's the name?
Jeremiah 4:30.
Bible Kasa. Jerusalem.
You were doomed.
Why do you dress in scarlet? Why do you dress in scarlet?
Why do you put on jewelry? And paint your eyes.
And paint what?
Your eyes.
Paint what?
Your eyes.
And over the nation in you. Why did you know? Me say 30. Dress the banner. And Bobby tell you when you're not all. I did tell them. Oh, you're why then? Oh, you're shabak. And what did I move pay?
I say you are making yourself beautiful.
You are making yourself beautiful what?
For nothing.
And you remember yourself on the people. I remember passing your phone a
I see your lovers.
I've rejected Yanko Pop Dada. Wapo. No, Jeremiah 4:30. Jeremiah chapter 4:30. Jeremiah chapter 3 verse 23.
Jeremiah 3:23.
What's the name? Ampara.
Ampara nkukuoni. Me poso huyeye okwa.
Nkukuoni me poso huyekwa.
Kwa me toso.
Ampara.
De Yankopon. Muna Israel
den. Nkwaje. Na eni wudie. No amene.
Die da yen ejanom bre ho free ye mo frase.
Ti ye janom abreso no. Na omo abreso na ntisa awo.
Anokwe.
Now, mommy more consistent kama and the man say in cross for them. And daddy,
me just
toss on me.
One time.
One time. No one then cheer. No one mabeni. No one mabarama. One maba.
No mama. Me just 5. Mama yen ada ye. Mama yen dada ye. Yeni womu. Na yena ho.
The just so for journalists also what ration efa. Masa all dada. Men go be nada we no because ration ye nu die. And so for wow. Na so for me can so can for ba comment se chire se na ro ration ba no crampon. O you crazy first so for can so for bonabas. Wife
pa.
Na kwa okoto taria edida na sere ho a so for kan futo ba o be shatara eze edru kakremina
I do na say wife pa o.
What's the tell no I said Bible mama o dey go common
step by step.
Tell us na e ba ye no. I am Madia. I don't say Madia because zip your dang. Zip your dang. Don't we zip line? Oh, this is a bear man. Oh, yeah, dang. And ma, moving a flat. And penny force. So, but you some member Junsa, or Jun so good in some. Opa, on a so adi no adwon so tie me ma no se just odinya etimi ekọ eba obi no ade ye bie zip na etimi yi adi na frim na ya dwon so ye wi ya prum na oba o che trousers esa ye ko long jean na dwon so ade no ye na esi fon se ko dwon so onko a otimi tifa bush ai ma me bro wash skirt skirt no eho allowance ni high otimi bana hem Bas nani mo no ye den no ye den ko bi ye den ehunu ba onko a de aso ro den e go for bro na ro so na me kokko me den e bi ho onya ko next liar obidu den no kyo say den e bi ho me ko la sa be ko den e bi ho na kudu banti phone so banti ro den e bi ho that's why we tesi pampronim o baba na bas na tu o be da mremo aso mo chwa ko yes do so de say e yira se nko me minya say do so kano and what you saw the doom way dangerous power dangerous no who treno you know say na ni crack of her obi wa ha of her warrior okodare and my den e hoiding edwin so say well don't stop the who be obegina to so ba bema de ye bete gina ni pedoni ma chia ba bi de na yensa so ma na ka no ni kitikiti ni den adwin so abro bi de ehu you tade na shen o to say e fatayen akọ satare o two people sen kube o ju so abre wo so a hey, ti yakopon etrete Israel. Se mo mo satare de bida. Then God Deuteronomy 22 verse 5.
Deuteronomy 22:5.
Bible saying. Hey,
Deuteronomy 22:5.
Bible saying.
O say, oba ensha barema de.
Oba ensha barema de.
Na barema so
bema fa don to na sofu je na so pretty say. Charles ye dia me pa cho sa so for no o say under wa na.
Under wa na e bisa no.
O say dross.
O so.
E so say na dross.
Ire dross wa se. Ba ye hu na ye hu.
Ana o say skirt.
Am so say skirt o.
How do you
No, obema so nfa.
Na bema kwa don to so ko say skirt.
On say skirt.
Shawabri no.
Efrise wona wo ye
no ina
erade
ye rade ya ko ko to ye be say Old Testament me part of Bible no mo je correction mo ko ti Old Testament and na preach order mo say twem e ka say dia won church hunu no e ka say dia ntim mo pe Old Testament but do correction tight wefa that's the New Testament.
Oh, good.
I didn't tell you to go to tight. Now it's a quotation when end. Abra is there for
Topa no good so na
chapter 3 verse Malachi 3:11. Bible saying Old Testament.
Chill, man from Obo.
Operation na we what's papa?
Mission.
Malachi 3:11. Bible saying,
I'm not letting instead. Try your crops. And your grapes will be loaded with grapes. Then the people of all nations will call you happy because your land will be be a good place to live in. Bible kasa
Malachi 3:11. Na menya odidifo
no mama ya
na wama say asase
no wabasa asase no
amam na efuo mu
bobe apate
amono
den amom
da asafurade no sie
asafurade yakopon no sie
oba amom
oba den amom
asafurade
no sie
na amanama ina
bebu ma hotofo because Israel for yakopon say obema niya bani adeden abom anim na amanama fo ehunu say omo da omo ya hotoso omo atom Bible kasa yeba
Malachi
na Malachi
3:10
I said bring the food
da yakopon Israel na on saka o ste fa san ne yeden fabra
the full amount of your tithe.
The full amount of your tithe
to the temple.
So that Bible say, oh yeah, Ejuma say, Ejuma ru wia.
Chum
10 na fu baba kwe den. Fabra levi fuo no. Ko levi fuo no na eji. So that
you will be
carrying up
plenty of food.
Zenia edure bebrebe so fie.
Put me to the test. And you will see that. I will open the windows of heaven.
So for no quotation when no say et me shan kon say wo put the mind cramp a yakop beto insurance we den. Obeto sky den e be ku fie no be the prayer ka be bomb pastor den ko pon me bomb pa yo yes me nya dollars me cities me pa mo no e den ko pon the Bank of Ghana bra kron just calibra me pada da o pa fofro chebra no tano say
hey me ko fie na skali go a engo unye serious
sa soro me sa no a bit me kota ba so kukubu nsam wata de show wa hewu na den ego na so kukubu nsam pato bro nsam no o su okewa
ono ma de
mo sa ko klo be sa ko say ni pe kra ko be chi won ati tiro e shawo mani bi na bro nsam ve small boy
what got small boy
ko fa dem bro nsam say o because of so bench abra identity war we je look for bench e be kuburu e be kuburu nsam hey ba kasa me bu 721:16 I bet say oh asono atimu no why ra oh we Bible no yan what preach false prophet and the teachings and the false prophet we preach
me bu 721:16
sorry mo pastor against home that's from church e kwan no oh we Bible no e be the purpose of the Bible e no be 2 Corinthians 3:16 to 17
21:15
osren
e your training and jet so be as a training
me bu 21:16
only powerful free ni
only power den
ofun free
and say na on tinti on timi nko asore e kan kro just killing keshe ja be boda me be but ama we ye kodi on timi nko da obi ko asore ge she den ge she nko sankom ai he waro
mentas only power from free ni
o jai san chechi we na oko oiden ofun free nko e kwan so oiden
obetra samando
obetra asaman for den asafu ja asore na kase de free den ewrem je free de ewrem na kase dan asaman for den asore
asem na rese mentas
be trust me
dodo ni je
be di hia
dodo sano ngu renya ade
me pato Bible na
dodo sano
Bible na on baby me hwa 21:16 Bible na da hono e kasa so kasa on tia se because asoro na timu no ye nkyerɛ wo ani tia
so for apoti Genesis
ani tia hey Bible say enkokura na moba no mo nkyerɛ wo enkokura nkyerɛ Bible kasa according to Bible no Titus 2:1 Titus 2:1-8 Bible kasa awe akokura no ya brewa o te so nka be ko Old Testament
Titus 2
chapter 1
now dear
chapter 2:1 Bible say now dear
and some fata church
emrewa enkokura
kan some fata church pano enkokura eni so na ho wana enimi enyadu
wana wonim yedu
one adwurum te
mo adwurum so nte enkokura ne mrewa
won ho ya won den
mo ho ya mo den
didie
wan kese ko press up
dabi
o se didie odo
ne boaseto fem
warum
vetre
enkokura de mrewa de ne hwem mrewanso
mu ambra sadia
se fata ni paden tu ya bro so shedaya o ye den
we are shawni
abro ko skinny ai we sit down
dai le to baby
ai na abro waso oh da bi
mentas
hwa abro mai
munni sekuo
mrewa
munye asajam
mo no me nsam abro watimi ko chepi okotebi e ko di fufu asaka ba ko obi ye yase no o no de ne choba fufu e wono okono me nsa obeti fufu no asaka ba ko say bam o trawa obeti diwe seconds si a harum
one church sempa
emrewai muntu embrant ne mo wonfo oba watete no so kwa botata sha cheno onti wa fa pomone de fa boni nani obe ka fom onti ko bebi akobiem
na watena tawro
embredme ejeni na o atesim hwadu mai
mentaso
hem
na wodi atima ba adwurim
na wodi aden
wodi atima ba adwurim
wodi ati emba wa Ghana baba woni mbrantie adwurim sira mo nkoje mbemasem hwadu
ama wonda won krum
senya obedo omukrum nko ware ase
ne won ma
ene won emma
mentaso
foso mame
na wadwene adwem pa
na wadwene adwempa
ahye won ho so
ahye wo so
I want a fear.
Sunny, I be with your fear.
I had the 4.
I said, I'm fear for the 4.
I brought one. I'm on around 1 hour day. 1 hour day. 1 kunum.
Bible same running kokora. Masetienie take up a Israel for Abra Israel. On them running Israel for no Bible ekasa Israel. You go ekasa Israel say Israel for you. Mo in church no ma. And then church no wen fa. And church no wen fa. And church no wen fa. Bible no kasa. According to Bible no. Deuteronomy Leviticus Deuteronomy 6 verse 4. Remember Deuteronomy 6:4 what's it saying?
Deuteronomy 6:4.
What was it saying? Masa say what I say abrowa.
Second Corinthians 3:16.
Oh yeah, masa and fata 3:16.
Second Corinthians 3:16.
What was it saying?
But it can be removed.
But it can be what?
Removed. As the scriptures says about Moses.
About Moses.
His volley was removed when he turned into the Lord. Now the Lord in this message,
the Lord's passage in this passage
is the spirit,
and where the spirit
of the Lord is present. There is freedom. All of us then reflect the glory of the Lord with unremoved faces. And that's
now go upon your image of God.
Yes.
Oh, your image of God. Yes, to buy or skinny. Or shalampine. Maybe a border. Maybe a boot. Mary Sabia. If I tell about one brand to about her, no bad this 21st century. Then I'm muye. Everybody become you.
I started
the drum says 4.
Says 4. Bible saying.
Is right here.
The chrono.
Na for kuma ina.
I know crying now. What do you brother Yankopon? You are
just
me.
Nam say ya. Nam say ya me
never say Israel for you.
Na some me say na some me say wo.
You are tente we
you na wakuma so.
Wo akoma so.
Na fanchechire.
Na fetire ne. Fetire ma.
Na kasa ho. Wa fetira mu. Wasitira mu. No kwan so.
Ne okwan so. Nantiam.
No.
Ne den
ne wona mu ne wo soriem na fa yes senchire
wonsa
na fa yes senchire
ne
church wonsa
fa church wonsa
na enya waniwa ntem kaya butre na tregu
ofie pona no
hwawru no Mentoso,
verse 10.
Na serwade unyankopon. Enya de udu asase a.
Na
ka woja no Abraham.
All catch Abraham, Isaac
ni Jacob in terms say.
Any Jacob was show upon the say.
Obema wo no so. Nkra kese a ye fe. Enya wo na wo kire.
Hwawru
ne adana ne panyina.
Oho na ne panyina den.
Aye no ma.
Yankopon ma Israel ahyɛdeɛ sɛ akuno ma ɔkɔso no ɔmutumi ndi ahyɛdeɛ no so before o meduro
ɛno kɛ
na ɔse ɔmfa nkyekyere mo nsa ɛnkyekyere mo mma tembrɔ no nkokora de na mo yi yɛbɛpɔn yɛnwɛkyena sɛ Yankopɔn yɛado no a ɛbɛtiri paatu aba yɛfɛ mbɔ so yɛde false teachings abrɛw Bible na yɛda hɔ no sɛ ɔsɔfoɔ nkyerɛkyerɛ wɔn firi asɔre no mu Ebato frasori mo Nesa odokra etum sohwem odokra tum sion na sofo timichi okra ma nipa so onwe ana sofo bi shan kom se obi e bonfa afimra o se o tia na wuyi ofi abosomfo nya de ebato bosam
bisu aka nkire
ebato bosam bebi atra obetra o ma hwim oba utire obi okra onhuru ntimu da bosam betimu aiden Brosam between my day or song.
One catch up on some more.
So what me the ball? I saw them call Ravens. I saw them say I you see a football as well. I saw them we are Ghana Blaster. Now almost go 30 say 1 second. I want it. One say you are anointed. Mode we shake go some Ghana. Who the football ra and them. Asofwe diabo. Obi to be obire etune dem sof nwa. 1 week now bra yi baso beje ne yira o say on
man yin say
you da on kakra why we bra yira he say why we not in da asofo muso musuo nie eko ponchira Bible kasa to your bar mo siesie den endimu Bible say
First Peter 3
no waso no beti de yekin Bible say o your bar na shall say atadefo a o say mo adwum ntie shata de papa na enkwa wom na ma no oba ne mbode na yembe manyansa fa wakopem a yenkopem e pa oba nyansa na oba we obetra so den say o de amana na ba so na oba na kasa ne memma ne ho be ma doso onya fa na so opono en dade a oni beti ne bu pupuru na say memma omuti ne chi no just can't you tell that dear obiti adana bra bi ko ti obire odada mu a oni papa no so ko fa na yire no o pepe ni o oni sister yi da sister bra e ko efum beto so sana mpo beto so ne sika so kita ni nanim o ntwa ne ba biase ni nanim ordinary to form o twa ni nanim ase o makinam
boy nantwi
o tjana no branding timi sorry e to my bonti o be bekun sister motor de shemu anya papa wo na fa nyansa na dumutie shata de papa bra sister na janta de phone ahye no mo muton enta de phone mpo de mo de mo jimisi obi a na Bible kasa Bible say oye entu sintidia na obi akoye ne na woton no mu nyina mu amaniam Bible na kasa na kasa wie na ne on so yeren ontie ya ho me de kasa ya mi shira e be shira sende e be shia sister ya mi shira bibia pastor Doni na Solomon la is na love God feeding so ne love God FM na obaden shira mu be pa so young boys
subscribe your YouTube channel
young boys nyaba sanka yembe mbasema ana bokro no a ye be wie wade anka wede ebe ne ambamba ebe wi wa denka be oja because na yensu ya ye body tie ye wi ade be wi pa ye be wi TV o bas e be kuku dan na isi wona nkasa den akọ bas ye jai na se te kanya ko pasem young boys ya me pa to be support na asem nko abonten wate na asem ndro abonten akwa kuma me pa to de to bibi mayen na ye fe nko abonten ko preach speaker ne mic
bibi kakra bia
na pasa na e ma no kwasem na asofo no krasofo no ka no ebe ye mo because we are so pay na Bible say yen ko we are so for ni na enkwai den but to them me say apart from this apart from this sha apart from den esha to me sram pa say wa bibi o nsem bia no pacho be support na yen timi kwa bonten na yen ko preach
iPhone 10
no oba enwe ni sketa wa pa yire no on dere ne to keke no na ya $10 eden
amano
ya ti series eden
amano
tie den
amano
tie den
ebom
tie den ayamono mebo
mono cham
ministers for ne sankrofo no obi ti aburo kire babu an omo awo edomai na eden se watne na abrofo kra po
bibi na abrofo ne sa
na abrofo do mecha ba wi omo awo o ba wi omo wi ni beto no why skeleton amishraw amenkawo emo woni so ntew omo onso okumam adibia sha osu bia no nkopon mo na itimi sachere free ho asema be me pato quotation wa chochoro no pato debia dwendwen ho na be nshira subscribe your YouTube channel na subscribe the page nkopon be shira pa search evangelist man for God and I say evangelist the kowa yosin and I say ko Facebook a obetia ade Richmond o adi mu bia obenye video se wo ho obo ade nshira obo ade nkan ho goodbye.